Well, hi everybody. Welcome to another Trixie Tuesday. Now, I am continuing today's theme, which is short dresses, which is a follow-on from a theme I did a couple of weeks ago, which was short skirts. Now, I want to ask the question, can a dress be too short? Because you've already answered that for the skirts. So, here is another one of my short dresses. Now, this dress accidentally inspired me to take a few windy videos. I haven't done many recently because it's windy up here on top of the hill, but there's no place I can go out in the wind without the neighbours seeing me. But anyway, back to this dress. I was shooting some videos on our balcony of our old house, and I was being all glamorous and took the videos, and it wasn't until I came to edit them that I noticed that while I was standing there, the wind was blowing this bit of the dress up. It's blowing up and down, revealing my stockings and suspenders. So I thought, oh, that looks really cute and a little bit, racy. So that's what inspired me. So this is the dress. And I will leave some links into my windy videos, not that sort of wind, young man, in the description, so you can go and have a look. So anyway, can a dress be too short? Obviously not. This one isn't very, very short. I've got a few others that are, but that's what makes it short. Anywho, love you all.